Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play an online friendly in FC26 against a friend. Alright, let's begin. First, open FC26 and go to the online or friendly section from the main menu. Select the option for online friendlies and confirm it. Confirm again to proceed. After this, a list of your friends will appear. Only friends who own FC26 will be visible here. Select the friend you want to play with and send them an invite. Next, you can adjust match settings if you want. While doing this, choose the club you want to play with and send the invite again from the left side. Once connected, they also select their club. Both players confirm with X, and the match will start. So that's basically how you can play an online friendly in FC26 against a friend. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.